Morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some foggy conditions across the coastal sections this morning, seeing a good amount of sunshine inland. Let's see some cooler temperatures along the coast this morning before we see a warm up for the afternoon hours once we do see some sunshine. We'll have a cold front approaching for this evening, and that's going to give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, especially after about 7 o'clock this evening or 1900 local. Looks like the best chance of that occurring. So looking at our surface analysis, we do have an area of high pressure that's moved off the coast. It's going to give us more the southwesterly flow today. We'll have a cold front approaching from the west for this afternoon. That's going to give us those chances of showers and thunderstorms. So taking a look at our current observation as of 8:15 this morning, we have vertical visibility of 200 feet and then a quarter-mile visibility with fog in the area. South-southwesterly winds at 9 knots, temperature 68 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have that fog right along the coastline this morning. That is continuing to just kind of linger right around the coast here. You can see it from the south tip of the peninsula all the way up to about North Ocean City, the Maryland-Delaware line. That's including Wallops Island. That should start to erode as we move into the afternoon hours today, and we should see a good amount of sunshine. We do have some cloud cover off to the west. It's going to be continue to move off to the north and east, and should allow us to see a good amount of sunshine for this afternoon. Taking a quick look at our camera shot, pretty deep camera shot this morning. You can see the camera is above the fog this morning, and you can see that fog layer fairly thick across the region, looking here out to the southwest across the peninsula. Taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have a few showers north and west of our region associated with a weak disturbance moving along a boundary across that area, but overall, nothing across the Wallops region, nothing expected until later this afternoon. So looking at our WRF model for today, you can see those rain showers moving well northwest of the region. And this afternoon, we'll see a convective line developing off the Piedmont or Appalachian Mountains. It's going to be moving towards the east and continuing to move towards the Wallops region. And looks like this model puts it out a nice area of showers and thunderstorms moving towards the Wallops region towards about 7 o'clock this evening or 1900 local, and through the region and continuing through the early overnight hours. We can't rule out another shower or thunderstorm. And that should be all out of the region by about 4 a.m. or 4 local on Thursday morning. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 83 degrees, and that is expecting the fog to burn off. If the fog does remain along the coast, going to see temperatures remaining in the mid-70s today, but I do expect us to break out from that fog. Our winds will become gusty this afternoon out of the south, gusting to 23 knots, and sustained anywhere from 12 to 17 knots late in the afternoon. We'll see a 45% chance of thunderstorms after 7 o'clock this evening, or 1900 local. We'll see a 20% chance starting at 1700 local, and that 45% chance will last until midnight tonight. We'll continue with a 30% chance of thunderstorms from midnight through early in the overnight hours of Thursday. As far as our overnight lows, we'll see temperatures falling with those thunderstorms in the upper to mid-60s. Should see a low around 67 degrees at Wallops, and I am expecting this low to occur with the thunderstorms rolling through. If we do miss out on the thunderstorms at Wallops, going to see lower 70s for overnight lows. By tomorrow morning, we should see a northwesterly wind at 5 to 10 knots with partly to mostly cloudy skies. As far as our ceilings go today, we should see those low-level ceilings in here with the fog this morning, and then that should burn off during the afternoon hours. Slight chance we do linger near that low-level ceiling in here during the earlier afternoon hours, and then for the evening hours, once you get those thunderstorms in here, could see lower ceilings or visibility below a mile with the thunderstorms rolling through. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast, fairly involved today. We should see VFR conditions afternoon today. Slight chance we do see that ceiling below 500 feet before noon. Should see ceilings below 1,000 feet. After about 1400 local, going to continue to see some mid-level cloud coverage increase around 15,000 feet across the area. And then by 1700 local, as I mentioned, we have a 20% chance of a thunderstorm, 45% chance of a thunderstorm after 1900 local, and a 30% chance of a thunderstorm after midnight tonight until 4 local on Thursday morning. And we'll continue with a slight chance of some showers until Thursday at 6 local. And then by Thursday at 8 local, we'll see mostly cloudy, partly cloudy skies, ceilings well above 3,000 feet. Our tides are running normal. And looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and warm. Slight chance of a pop-up shower, thunderstorm along a sea breeze boundary. Looks like those chances about 10%. And our high will be around 85 degrees. Thursday night, partly cloudy and mild, a low of 65. And for Friday, mostly cloudy with breezy onshore flow. We'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms by the late afternoon and a high of 72 degrees. Looks like precipitation chances are fairly high with a solid orange here, looking like about a 60% chance of rainfall, a 20% chance of a thunderstorm, and winds should be gusting near 23 knots late in the day on Friday, as well as our ceilings possibly below 500 feet with the rainfall in the region. Right now for Friday, models have trended slower with this system moving in, so could be looking at a decent afternoon on Friday and then things trending downward for Friday evening. Right now, continue to hold these solid chances of rainfall through the afternoon hours on Friday, but we'll continue to monitor that trend for a slower solution of the rainfall arriving for Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.